Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand dishwasher and it's giving you a big S, small d error and you're wondering what's going on and how do you get rid of it. So this is a common error. This SD error is a SD standing for suds. So basically there's too much soap suds in the drum. It's detecting too much soap suds and which prevents it from operating properly. So there's two things we want to do here. One is we got to get rid of this error, and two, we want to keep it from coming back. So, a couple things. To get rid of it, all we need to do, it might not be that bad. You might just be able to run the cycle. Don't add any detergent, and it'll get washed out. If you're having issues with it, what you can do is run an empty cycle, run a cold wash cycle with nothing in it. And just get everything rinsed out. Get all that excess soap that's built up in the machine all rinsed out. And that'll get rid of this error. Now, once we've gotten rid of the error, we don't want it to come back. We want to go, well, why did I get this error in the first place? And so if you got the error in the first place, you probably did one of two things. One is you're using the wrong type of detergent. You're not using high efficiency detergent when you should be. And the second thing is just you're putting too much detergent in. And if you're putting too much detergent in, you're going to get too much soap suds, and then the washing machine won't be able to operate properly, and you can actually get it will kind of build up and cake up in there. And that's why you kind of really got to get it rinsed out once you get this error. But anyways, if you just follow the instructions in terms of the type and quantity of detergent, you shouldn't have issues with this error in the future. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.